Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to remove weather from the taskbar. So let's get started. So firstly, here you will see the weather icon. Click on it. You will see widgets open will be open. Just simply right click on three dots. Click on three dots. Here you will see unpin widget. You can unpin the widget from the setting. Select notifications. And click on show announcements on taskbar. Show notification badges on the taskbar. Turn it off. After restart, you will see the weather icon will be removed successfully. And the another method is right click on the taskbar and click on taskbar setting. Here you will see widgets. Turn it off. You will see it will instantly remove the weather icon. The weather information will be removed from the widget panel and no longer appear on the taskbar. That's it. Those are two simple ways to remove weather from the Windows 11 taskbar. You can either unpin the weather widget while keeping widgets enabled or disable widgets completely. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.